I'm delighted to speak to all of you here at the 5G ETSI 5G IC workshop. And let me start by thanking the whole of our telecoms community for your resilience during one of the most testing times in our country's modern history. As we continue to work through the challenges of the COVID-19 pandemic, connectivity remains the lifeblood of not only our modern digital economy, but of every aspect of our modern society. It's the driving force that keeps things moving. It's the means to communicate key crisis messaging and to connect to our colleagues and loved ones at home or on the other side of the world. To hold events like this today, day after day, connectivity brings us all together. So today I'd like to speak to you about some of the work the government is doing in this really important area. Since the start of the 5G Testbeds and Trials programme, we've been able to trial almost 70 different 5G technologies, products and applications across the UK. And more importantly than ever, we are investing in a range of sectors to foster, build and grow 5G across the wider industry. It's great to see the 5G UK test network open for business and how it has supported further projects UK-wide. So thank you also for the support from UKRI, universities and all the industry involved in widening this 5G endeavour. The 5G Testbeds and Trials programme now has over 190 organisations involved since launching in 2017, and that includes all of the Tier 1 operators, 23 universities and 16 local authorities. To date, there have been 22 successful projects from 5 competitions. Between them, they cover 11 different sectors, including agri-tech, healthcare, manufacturing, creative industries and public services. The programme has had some great successes to date, including the West Midlands 5G project, and they estimate that their barrier-busting activities mean that 5G site deployments can be achieved on shorter timescales and at reduced costs, saving 3.3 million across the 1,100 network sites in the West Midlands. West Midlands 5G has also successfully launched an applications accelerator with Telefonica, Deloitte and Digital Catapult, a 5-year project supporting SMEs to develop and scale applications and services using a private and commercial 5G network in 3 sites across the region. The programme has also had significant international impact, with other countries looking to follow our innovative approach to investing in 5G. Our international success is demonstrated in our work linking UK and South Korean businesses to pilot 5G technology across the Seoul and Glasgow metro systems, for instance. The joint project supports businesses in the 2 countries to develop and test 5G applications that explore new experiences for tourists and commuters on public transport, furthering collaboration and trade opportunities between our 2 countries. We're also working with the European Space Agency and the UK Space Agency on a joint competition which launched in July. It's currently live and we're looking forward to seeing some interesting proposals on how satellites and cellular can complement each other in 5G, in coverage and maybe more. Closer to home, the DCMS-funded Liverpool 5G project mobilised 11 partners and more than 15 subcontractors, social care providers, local citizens and wider stakeholders to take part in that project. The results of that continue to bring huge benefits to the community. The Auto Air project launched a 5G-enabled mobile network at the Millbrook Proving Ground. Live demonstrations showed transmission of data to fast-moving vehicles at amazing speeds. And through this programme, we are seeing improved understanding of the possibilities of 5G and a real 5G technical evolution from early R&D to real-world implementation. It shows how valuable the programme has been in building confidence in 5G tech across the UK. In February, we announced a £30 million open competition, 5G Create. A new package harnesses creativity to discover innovative new uses for 5G, ones that will bring tangible benefits for consumers and businesses across the country. We recently announced the first 6 winners of this competition, and we will be announcing the second wave of winners this autumn. The opportunities provided by 5G are endless, and I want the UK to lead the way in 5G innovation. But if we want to be that global leader, we must have networks that are secure and resilient. So for this reason, we are bringing forward the Telecommunications Security Bill in the autumn. As announced by the government in January, the bill will introduce a new telecom security framework, as well as introducing new national security powers for the government to manage the risks posed by high-risk vendors. We are also developing a targeted strategy to be published in the coming weeks to diversify the network supply chain and reduce our reliance on high-risk vendors. This strategy is based around three key strands. Firstly, supporting incumbent suppliers. Second, attracting new suppliers. And third, accelerating the development of open interface technologies to grow the market and promote competition and choice. We want to make the most of the UK's vibrant and innovative telecom sector, and we want to work with industry to test, develop and deploy new and emerging technical solutions. To build on the success of 5G TT, we are exploring ways to incentivise research and development in the UK telecom sector. We'll also explore opportunities to establish homegrown capability and grow the telecoms base within the UK's wider tech industry by investing in really big bet R&D initiatives that could transform the telecoms market. And of course, the UK is not alone in facing this problem. We're also working with like-minded international partners to develop new and sustainable supply chain capacity and to deliver against our shared goals. Thank you to our hosts, 5GIC and ETSI, for this opportunity. I look forward to hearing your views and ideas, from priority areas of research and standardisation to how we can work together to advance UK expertise in 5G and future networks. This ambitious global agenda will ensure the resilience and security of our core telecoms network infrastructure, while allowing the UK to lead in harnessing the full potential for innovation that advanced networks can offer. Thank you.